Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 6 Cordova Mastering Grammar chapter number 5 adjectives and degrees of comparisons. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapter, sentences, nouns gender, nouns number, nouns case. Okay, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. So here adjectives and degrees of comparisons. So here words that describe a noun or a person are called adjectives. Okay, so you know adjective means the word that gives more information about the noun or pronoun. This is known as adjective. So here he has 3 sisters. So here sisters noun and 3 indicates how many sisters he has. So here 3, this is called as adjective. Then his house is there. His house. Whose house? His house. So here house is noun and his, this is adjective. Which adjective? Possessive adjective, because it tells about the owner of the house. Who is the owner? Right? His house is there. The next year Shalini wore a new dress. So here dress, this is noun, and a noun here gives information about the quality of the dress. New dress. The next year he has a blue pen. So here pen, this is noun, and here blue, this is adjective. So here blue, this is color. It gives more information about the color of the pen. So here blue, this is adjective. The next year Rohan is a good boy. So here boy, this is noun, and here good gives more information about the Rohan, about the boy. So here good, this is qualitative adjective. The next year this is a big bag. So here bag, this is a noun, and here big tells more about the bag, the size of the bag. What is the size of the bag? The bag, this is a big bag. So here big, this is adjective. So here in the above examples, 3 his, new, blue, good, big are adjectives since they describe the nouns sister, house, dress, pen, boy and bag. So here adjectives are also called describing words. We must use appropriate adjectives to describe people or things. Right? So here examples of other adjectives like honest girl, sincere worker, intelligent child, confident boy. So here these are adjectives so here honest adjective, sincere adjective, intelligent adjective, confident adjective. Okay, so here an adjective is a describing word. It modifies a noun or pronoun. It not only describes about a noun but also about a pronoun. So here position of adjectives. So adjectives are usually placed before nouns, but sometimes they may be placed after nouns as well. So here Ragini is a creative person. So here adjective placed before the noun. So this will be called as attributive adjective. What is attributive adjective? If the adjective is used before the noun, so here noun, this is person, and here adjective creative. So here creative, this is adjective, and the adjective is used before the person, before the noun. So here this adjective will be called as attributive adjective. Then next here the girl is creative. So here the adjective is placed after the noun. So here girl, this is noun, and here creative, this is adjective. If the adjective is used after the verb, the adjective will be called predicative adjective. What is predicative adjective? The adjective which is placed after the verb, or we can say here after the noun. So girl is noun. So here creative, this is adjective. The next here the dress is new. So similarly here new is adjective. So here it will be called as a predicative adjective. The next year the child is pretty. So here pretty is adjective. This will be called as a predicative adjective. Clear? If the adjective is used before the noun, it will be called as attributive adjective. If the adjective is used after the noun, it will be called as predicative adjective. Clear? The next year circle the adjectives of the underlined nouns. So here ripe mangoes are delicious. So here ripe and delicious both are adjectives. They tell about mangoes. The next year the princess had long and black hair. So here long, black, both are two are adjectives, and it tells about hair. Okay. The next year Mohan is a hard-working student. So here a hard-working, this is adjective. It tells about the student Mohan. The next year a wedding in the family is a perfect opportunity to know your relatives. So here perfect, it tells about the opportunity, and here your relatives. Relatives noun, and your, this is adjective. Yours, this is possessive adjective. Clear? Then next here the holy river Ganga is very polluted now. Here holy, this is adjective and it tells about the river Ganga, and polluted. So here polluted, this also adjective. It also tells about the river Ganga. Okay, so here holy and polluted. Then next here every teacher wants to see TD work. So here every this will be adjective, every teacher, and here teacher. So here in your book the teacher is not underlined. Okay, so you have to follow the instruction, but here teacher is a noun and every this is adjective, distributive adjective. So as this is not mentioned in your book, so you should know about, okay, it every this is a distributive adjective. This is and here TD work, TD this is adjective and work noun. The next that car is beautiful. So here you have to circle, okay, identify that and beautiful, both are adjective. Here that this is demonstrative adjective, and beautiful this is qualitative adjective. So here that and beautiful. Then next these are his paintings. So here his this is adjective, which adjective, possessive adjective. So here you have to mention his. Then next here we will reach home after 2 weeks. So here weeks this is noun and 2 this is adjective. Which adjective? Adjective of number. Okay, 2. Clear? Then next here kinds of adjective. So here you find there are qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, then possessive adjective. Okay, so here we will discuss. So here adjectives of quality. So an adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or thing. So here the teacher asked me a simple question. What kind of? Okay, so if you want to know the adjective of quality, then you can ask the question what kind, right? The teacher asked me a simple question. So here simple, this is adjective of quality. Then next year the lesson was interesting. So here interesting, this is adjective of quality. Then next here the bag is colorful. This is also adjective of quality. The bangles are lovely. Lovely, this is also adjective of quality. Okay. Then next here adjectives of quantity. An adjective of quantity specifies the quantity of a thing. Okay, give me some water. How much? If you want to know the adjective of quantity, you need to ask the question how much. How much water? Some water. How much sugar? Enough sugar. How much honey? Some honey. How much relief? Much relief. Okay, so these are adjectives of quantity. So you need to ask the question how much. The next are adjectives of number. The number, you need to ask the question how many. Okay, how many. So here several people. How many people? Several people. How many students? 40 students. How many pens? 3 pens. How many box? 1 box. Okay, so here the word several, 43, these are adjectives of number. So here some other adjectives of number are words like first, second, these are ordinal. Okay, ordinal, these are known as ordinal number, and 1, 2, 3, 4 they are known as a cardinal. So here the fifth boy, fifth here adjective of number, third adjective of number, 2 adjective of number, 3 adjective of number. So these are known as 1, 2, 3, 4 known as cardinal, first, second, third, fourth, fifth these are known as ordinal. Clear? So here some uses are provided. Okay, you need to recover it all. Uses of much and many. Similarly here uses of few, a few, little, a little are provided. Okay. The next here identify the adjectives and classify them as adjectives of quality, quantity and number. So here the children played loud music. So here loud. So first you have to identify the adjective. Loud, this is adjective. Okay. Which adjective? So you have to mention your quality, adjective of quality. Then next here street dogs often become violent towards human beings. So here violent and street. So here both are qualitative adjective. So here you have to mention adjectives of quality. Then next some rice is left in the refrigerator. How much rice? Some rice. So some adjective of quantity. Here adjective of quantity. This is not adjective of number because rice is uncountable. The next here is there any letter for me from the bank? So here any. This is adjective of number. The next Arnab loves to watch horror movies. Horror, quality. Then next many students gathered at the gate to appear for the test. Many. Many means number, adjective of number. Okay, indefinite. Then next here, there is not much ice in the fridge. Much, okay, much, adjective of quantity. Then next here, one boy of class 6 won the competition. One boy, adjective of number. Then next, we kept a few apples in the basket. Few means some apples, that means number. Then next, there was much excitement among the people. Much means adjective of quantity. How much? Okay, here much, you will get the answer much. Clear? Then next here, demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrate means to point out something, right? So here a demonstrative adjective is used to point out some person or things. So here some examples are provided. Okay, that, these, those, such, certain. So we use this for singular and also for the nearer object, and that for the far and for the singular. Similarly, these is used for the plural and nearer object, and those is used for the plural and far object. So here these bikes are not parked properly. So here this is demonstrative adjective. So here bikes. So according to the nouns, you have to use these or these. So here bikes, as it is plural, so you have to mention these. The next here, such players always play for the team. So here such, this is demonstrative adjectives, right? So here demonstrative adjectives answer the question which one. So here demonstrative adjectives should follow a noun, okay, followed by a noun. So here these bikes, such players, okay. Otherwise it will be considered as demonstrative pronoun. Suppose take an example. This is his book. So here this is, okay. So here this is demonstrative, but here verb is used, so this will be not considered as demonstrative adjective. So the demonstrative adjective should followed by a noun. This book is mine, okay. This book is mine. So here this will be considered as demonstrative adjective as it is followed by a noun, okay. So this is known as demonstrative adjective. Clear? Then next here, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective means adjectives that are used with nouns. So here what, noun, whose, noun, which, noun. The easiest way to identify the interrogative adjectives, WH word, okay, WH word plus noun. This is known as interrogative adjective. This is the easiest way you can identify, okay. Then next, possessive here. Possessive here, his, pen, your, bike, her, house, your, bags, my, car, its, tires, our, school, their, answer. So here his, your, her, your, my, its, our, their, they are known as possessive adjectives, okay. Ownership, they indicate the ownership, what belongs to whom, okay. So here identify the adjectives in the following sentences and tick the correct options. The first one has been done for you as an example. So here that house is mine. So here that you know, demonstrative. Demonstrative means to point out. This, that, these, those, such, these are known as demonstrative adjective, okay. So here you have to tick on this. Megha is wearing your earrings. So here your means possessive. So here you have to tick on this, okay, possessive adjective. Then next, whose pencil is lying on the floor. So here WH word, then noun is used. So here whose, this is WH word, and after whose, here noun is used. So this is interrogative adjective. Then next, I could not answer this question. This demonstrative adjective, okay. This here demonstrative. So here. The next, her pen is with Sam. Whose pen? Her pen. Okay. So here her, this is possessive adjective. Then next here, that house needs repair. That house. So here that is this, that, those, these, such. These are known as demonstrative. So here. Okay. Then next here, our car has been parked near the gate. Whose car? Our car. So here our, this is possessive. Okay. The next year, which girl is going to play the role of Cinderella? So here, which girl? Which WH word, then noun is used. So this is interrogative adjective. The next year, they are very happy as their son. They are whose son? Their. So here, their, this is possessive adjective. Clear? Then next here some other types of adjectives are provided, emphatic and participle adjective. Okay, present participle and past participle. And proper adjectives are provided. Proper adjective means the adjectives that are formed from proper noun. India, proper noun, Indian adjective. Similarly, Asia, proper noun, Asian adjective. Similarly, Africa, proper noun, African forest. This is a proper adjective. Right, so here emphatic and participle adjective are also provided. Emphatic means they influence the effect of the noun. They are modifying absolute, knowledge, utter, lie, mind your own business. Okay, so here look at the screen. There are other examples of emphatic adjectives are also provided. Okay. Then next here participle adjective. Participle means present participle, past participle. Participle two types. Present participle formed by using ing. Okay, smiling face. So here smiling, this is present participle. Broken chair, broken, this is past participle. Okay, present participle means by adding ing with the main verb. Past participle means ed or en form. Okay. So here fill in the blanks with the type of adjectives mentioned in the brackets. The first one has been done for you as an example. Okay. So here the Chinese proper adjective. China, Chinese. China proper noun. Chinese proper adjective. So here dash students received awards in the school. So you have to use your adjective of number. Many students. Then next year please return dash books to me. Demonstrative. So you know demonstrative this, that, those, these. So here plural. Books. So here you have to use these. Please return these books to me. Then next year I am advised to add dash soya to my diet. So here adjective of quantity. That means some. Then next year dash house is very far from here. Possessive adjective. My house. You can also add here other possessive adjective. Her house, his house, their house, your house. Okay. The answer can be vary here. The next year I love to be in my house as it is very big. So here adjective of quality is provided, so you can mention it big. The next year can you climb dash tree? So here demonstrative adjective. Can you climb this tree? The next year she sprained dash ankle during the practice session. Possessive adjective. Her. Okay, as here she is provided, so you have to mention her. The next year dash fruit is available during this season. Interrogative adjective. Which fruit? The next year you have dash time to complete your homework. Adjective of quantity. You have less time. The next year your payment is due on the dash Monday of the month. Adjective of number. Number you know two types, cardinal, ordinal. So here you have to use ordinal. Okay, first Monday. Then next year I need a dash knife to cut the vegetables. Adjective of quality. I need a sharp knife. Then next year dash book would you like to read? Interrogative adjective. Which book? Okay. Next, the new manager does not have a dash experience in this field. Any experience. So here adjective of quantity provided. So you have to mention your any. Then next year I am scared of dash dogs. Demonstrative. So here plural is given. Dogs. So you have to mention these, not this. Clear? The remaining part will be discussed in the next video. So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you.